Hello everyone. Welcome to you on my channel. Today we are going to learn about conditional formatting highlighting rows between two dates. Let's begin. See here you can see these two dates. I need to highlight this data based on this range, that the purchase orders falls between these dates will show me some different color. How to do this one? It's very easy. Just click here, go to conditional formatting and click on new rule. Use formula, and what you will do, you will write here equals to and formula, bracket started, this value, and then you will press F4 and select the dollar sign before the E. You can see it here, dollar sign comes two times after E and before E, but we need the dollar sign before E. It will select the rows data. Okay, then what you will do next, you will use greater than, equals to this value and comma. Then see, you can see all my values are locked because I don't want to make relative. Then again this value less than or equals to this value, bracket close, and here you can change your format type. I want to highlight this and the font color white. Okay. Now you can see that there is nothing change. There is a reason. Now I will guide you. Click on conditional formatting, go on manage rule. You can see here the data range is selected only for this cell as of now. Now we are going to select all the data. I will click here up to here and then Control Shift down arrow, or with the mouse you can go down and click OK. OK, and now you can see all the changes are in effect now. So this is the method in which you can easily grab the information, highlight the information what you are looking for. It is now, for example, now I am looking from 1st of Jan 2020 to 5th of May. You can see all that data has been selected by. There is another method as well. Remember one thing, that this value is these dates are actually in the Excel are numbers. If I'm going to change it, I can show you this one number. See, you can see these are numbers. Now I'm going to manage rule and going to remove delete rule. Okay, now rule has been clear now. I'm going to select my data. This is my data, and what I'm going to do it now, I will go to the conditional formatting, highlight between, which number, this value is this one, and this value is this one. Okay, and what to do on this one, make it green. Okay, now you can see, all values are here, are green now. And if you want, you can make the change of the color. You can see it here. I will use the different formatter, this one. So if I am going to change, it is also will give you the information as per your requirement. See here now, it is again changing as per your requirement. And if you want to highlight the whole row column wise, you can just go here, select manage rule and come back here and just select from here to here and down arrow. Okay, you can see it here. All the dates between those ones, wherever it is falling, you can see it. It is selecting the date format. All dates have been selected in that range. So this is the technique for this one. You can use here as well. I created one drop down for both purchase and contract. Okay. How to make this? I make it dynamic. Whenever I am going to select this one, it will highlight that one. Okay, how to do this one? I will go here, manage rule. I will delete this column. Okay, this conditional formatting, I removed it. Now I'm going to create a conditional formatting. Again, new rule. I will use here equals to this value equals to this value, but this value I need dynamic. $sign out before the C. Okay, nothing happened. Conditional formatting, manage rule, edit rule, format, fill color, this color, okay, font, white, okay, and okay, data range, all here, control shift down arrow, okay, you can see it now. It's dynamic now. If I'm going to change, it will show you the contracts only, and if you want, just select purchase, then it will be purchasing. There is another method, manage rule, delete the rule. Okay, just come here on this section, just I'm going to copy this purchase. Okay, conditional formatting, words that contains, you can see here a text that contains, okay, purchase. What color you are looking for? I'm making it custom. I'm making it blue, font color white, okay, and this is the, now I want to make it all, just rows as well highlighting, manage rule, just come here and select all your data. Okay, now you can see all the range has been selected. Now I want to highlight only the contract. I will just copy contract, conditional formatting, text that contain contract. What color I'm looking for, I will choose it. Fill light green, okay, and okay. I think so we are missing something. Conditional formatting, text that contains contract, green color, okay, and you can see it now. Here, manage rule, okay, okay. Okay, so this is the rule, you can see it now. So this way you can select as per your data from the drop down, between the date ranges, and if you want you can convert it to numbers and then you can select your data. This is called conditional formatting based on your date range or selected document type or what words you are looking for based on that one. Thank you very much.